everybody, this is Khushbu Thakkar here, and as you must be knowing, I'm playing Preeto in Geet, who is Sabse Pirai, and you're watching me on Teli Tadka. If you're asking me about the feeling, it's natural that it's a very good show, running from almost above 1 year. So I'm feeling very good that it's my almost, if we go to see the full-fledged role, it's for the first time I'm playing. And so it feels great to have yourself on this show. If we think on the other side, you have something in your mind always when you give it a shot that you have replaced somebody, and so you have to match that person's level, and she's already played the character before. So somewhere people have that mindset that ye Preeto thi, and you've seen this female, and now you have to match that character. तो अपना creative level जो whatever we have, that somewhere goes for a toss. But yeah, definitely I'll match up soon, and I'm trying my best to give it. It's fabulous. My character, I've started loving my character because she's very innocent. She loves talking. Even if वो गुस्सा करेगी तो she will not be harsh. She'll be very sweet, very calm. बक 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 करती रहती है. She loves hogging food. That's the main disadvantage of my role because whenever I give a retake, I have to hog it again. So I've already put on some kgs. My friends have started telling me that you've already on 10 12 15 दिन में ये हाल है. I don't know how long it will take and how more I'll have to put on. Can't even gym and all because time नहीं मिलता. Time constraints. But it is fun, and the way we and I and Lucky fight. We're horrible, but we love it. The transformation is drastic because reporting, I've already interviewed a lot of veteran actors, and now to be a part of it and to act with them is real difficult because हमें ऐसे लगता है ना हम तो बच्चे हैं, they just born actors, and they are just so natural, they're just flawless, and you just react by hurting your lines. अब ये रिएक्शन देना, अब वो करना है, और now I have to fight now again. And sometimes you have to be natural with them because otherwise the timing gap, that lapse is very bad, and they also feel bad because their shot also goes for a toss. So it's very hard to match their level, as well as you got to learn a lot of things from them because you're working with such actors. Man, Geet, Mamaji, Nandini, Sameer, everybody is just fab. Unka timing, and the way they have that chemistry. Still people I've seen, the show is like running from a quite long time, but still people have that fetish for that mahi, and it goes on and on and on. तो वो जो romance level भी है उनका, that is very, like, in demand. People still love it, and I'm trying that I may also some soon have soon develop that for me also, that people like to see me. I'm giving my best. This is my first show. इसके पहले I've just done a cameo in Mrs. Tendulkar as Payal a few days back, and after that I'm just off with this. So drastic change because the person whom you have interviewed before and you have to work with them, I have followed this show like since the start. So I have never, who must have thought ki, I'll be working in the same show, and Man ko I have interviewed when he was also struggling. So I was like, it's like a total dream. You're waking up and you're just seeing that yourself, you're working in the same show. So unexplainable. See, for my kind of a person, my USP is my, whatever you say, my cuteness or whatever. My charm works that way. So when these guys asked me that it's a very cute, innocent role, and that will be, especially it's Geet, firstly it's the Geet, okay. So firstly that made my mind that I will do it. And obviously I'm a fresher, so I'll get to learn a lot of things. It's a very good platform for me. Since the moment I've started shooting, I don't think so that I've ever left thinking also about it. I mean, फ्रेंड्स भी पूछते व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, ईदर ऑन फेसबुक, ईदर ऑन जी टॉक, ईदर ऑन गूगल, एंड चैटिंग, टॉकिंग, टाइम पास। फैमिली में थोड़ा टाइम कम मिल रहा है इन दिनों. I am looking out for my spending some days with my family in Diwali, but I don't know I can or not. Let's see if these people give me a holiday. It will be great to go to my hometown with family. Rest, so you know how it goes. That cut to cut schedules of our shooting times. For me, Diwali is just new clothes, new clothes, and new clothes. And yeah, I do believe in that Lakshmi Puja also. I believe it very nicely, like बहुत मन से मानती हूँ. And when we do it in our shop, like my dad's studio, we celebrate it with a bash, like patake patake and all. I don't even believe in that, do not light crackers and all, because वो साल में एक बार आता है. And trust me, अगर तुमको, if you want to prevent the pollution, you can also do it either ways. जब 365 days you are not looking after it, तो एक सीजन में तो नहीं होने वाला ना. For that an individual has to get alert, like बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. If I tell you don't do this, you'll do only when you feel like. So that's my funda. I like it. मिठाइयाँ तो obviously अब मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मैं खा पाऊंगी ज़्यादा, but yeah, I'm a foodie. That's why it suits me a lot. और मैं बड़ा चाव से खाती हूँ जब भी मैं खाती हूँ, ताकि मुझे लोगों को लगे कि मैं नेचुरली इतना खाती होंगी. I just want to go home. मुझे 2 दिन घर जाना है. And I'm thinking that I'll meet all my relatives, because this is the only time when I meet my long distance relatives, या मेरे बहुत दूर दूर के friends होते हैं, because close buddies keep meeting, but these occasions are like, you can meet everybody at once. And कल जाके ही shoot के बाद I have just got my days of clothes, because I didn't have anything new to wear in Diwali. And so this is how it's going now. Let's see. But I am hoping that I keep working. I am. This is for the first time I'm not having that craze for Diwali, Diwali, Diwali. ना आ गई तो भी पता नहीं चला है. The Diwali is actually come. So it's nice. It's enjoyable. We love you guys. You make our shows hit. You give us popularity, and you give us that, uh, what we say, एक पहचान बोलते हैं ना. You give us that identity to get into people's mind, people's heart, and keep watching the show. Not even for me, for Man and Geet, for everybody whom you love, and we love you all. Thanks. Keep watching us.